Good morning,
Oh,
Frank. Nice to see
what
you.
what
Let's,
a mess here.
yeah.
So I need to configure my computer. I just turned it on.
Okay. Are you good prepared, Frank?
I hope so. I hope so. I just check if I'm here in. Okay, I'm here. Soon it will be available, everything 2022. Yeah. Okay. Let's give it a try.
It's cool to see the leg. I got my interesting.
We can count down.
Yes, yes,
4,
yes.
3, 2, 1, and here we go. So now I click on it. So here's the la la la, 1 star. You puzzle me.
Okay. Santa's reindeer typically eat regular reindeer food, but they need a lot of magical energy to deliver presents on Christmas. What is the best for our work? Should I read it or should I leave you alone with the problem?
You might read it and try to understand it, but I try to read it faster.
Okay. For that, their favorite snack is a special type of star fruit that only grows deep in the jungle. The elves have brought you on their annual expedition to the grove where the fruit grows. To supply enough magical energy, the bad word.
So we need to
Expedition.
find the one group with the most sum, with the biggest sum. I need to store this thing here. Oh no, that's something I did not consider. Okay. This is here.
This represents the calories of the food carried by 5 elves. The first elf carrying food with 2,000 and 3,000 calories. A total of 6,000. The third elf is carrying food with 5,000 and 6,000 calories. A total of 11 calories. 11,000.
I don't find my environment.
Yeah,
How did I do this?
I overlay your screen with the question while you were searching for it.
Yeah.
Maybe for the next days, this is a good behavior that I will open the problem until you prepared yourself.
Yeah, usually I am prepared, but it's the first day, so this is something I need to download this input file to some directory, and I don't know where my directory is because I'm here in a Docker machine and I can't remember currently where I stored this here. And
Okay, so we got a bad start, but I hope we are better prepared for tomorrow. So organize yourself. I just show the question for the audience, for the whole audience. Hello. And you say if you're ready that that you are on screen again.
yep. Here it is. Now I store it here. Clipboard. Yeah. So now I found it, yeah.
Okay. I think everybody could read the problem, and then you are on screen again. So what is the idea behind this task? What do you do?
So here we got an input file that looks like this. So this is always one group, and we need to build the sum of these groups. So first group is 6,000, 4,000, 11,000, and so on, and then simply output the maximum number of it. So it's mainly to implement this parser which parses these numbers. So I will give it a try. So this input looks like this. So we need to split here where the double line breaks are.
Okay.
So I need to think about it. We use a double backslash as a separator. So then we got this as groups equals split the global input into these things. Yeah. So, and then we can iterate it for string s g. Now split this thing into integers.
Okay.
For e v equals split by white space and convert to in. So, and then ans gleich max ans, accumulate offer. So this builds the sum within such one group. So this should do the job.
Go. That's all.
I hope so.
So 2 minutes to implement and 5 minutes to organize your environment.
So we will see if this is the right answer. Submit this. Right answer.
Yeah!
We're on our first star. So let's quickly continue to part 2. So part 2 starts here. By the time you calculated the answer, blah, 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 run out of snacks. Avoid and so on, la, la. Top 3 elf carrying the most calories. 3L. So now we need to find the top 3 elf of this, not only the first one. So I copy the code D1b.cc and cp D1a.test D1b.test. So now let's create the first 3. So we use a set of integers instead of a single thing. No, let's use a vector of integers and then put it here. And let's push back the sum. So sort all honest. So 4 int e gleich 1 with size minus 1. Equals 0 e.
E smaller 2 is right?
Yeah, the last 3. We want to iterate the last 3 of them.
Okay.
On s that size minus 1 minus I. So now I edited the wrong one, but okay. I wanted to edit. No, it's okay. D1b. D1b. So I got a typo here. It's accumulate. So I got something wrong.
V is not declared, okay.
Okay, it's S in this
S.
case. So RNS.pushback, yeah, RNS, the sums, and this is the sum of the last three. Now there's something wrong, because the maximum sum was 70,000, this can't be 6,000. So let's look once again into it.
You spoke about the last one, but if you iterate from E until E smaller than 2, there is the first one, or not? Or am I wrong?
Yeah, I use RNS.size minus 1 minus I as an index. So it's the last one, the pre-last one, and the pre-pre-last one.
Okay.
So, but still it can't be right, because it must be more than 70,000. Let's debug it. So if we need to debug it, it's bad sign, because this does not work usually.
Yeah, you cannot debug in VI. Okay.
So what's wrong here? I don't get it.
Why do you think there are the last 3 elves? Find the top 3 elves carrying the most calories.
Yeah, these are the ones with the most. So what we are doing here, we are collecting all the groups which we did in the first answer, and that was right. So we find the biggest one. Yeah. So here we push back each group sum. So we got a vector with all the group sums. Then we sort these group sums, smallest first, biggest last.
Okay.
And then we use the sum of the last 3 of them. And then the sum of the last 3 of them must be bigger than the sum of the biggest one, of course. So, but I don't get it, why we got here this output, like 3,000. This should be actually more. So I don't know. I can just give it a try here, but this is the wrong answer. So now we see how it looks like if you give a wrong answer. So
please wait 1 minute before trying again. Okay.
So
understand. So then let's analyze the
I still
code.
don't get it what I have wrong in the code
okay,
here.
So you're collecting everything and then you sort it.
Just let's look in the code for the first puzzle. This was this one.
Can you display?
I accidentally removed this line. So no, yeah. I killed my parser, so that's it. So now look, that's the reason why this V was not, I for some reason
you killed your V, that's because V was wrong.
I misused my visual editor to delete a line, which was not a good idea. So now this should work better here. This looks better for me.
Okay. So we have to wait. Why is your minute is gone?
So we are on the second gold star.
Yeah, you are one gold star closer.
So now we will look into the stats. This is the most thrilling things. Look how you compare to others. I guess with the first star we are at around 1,500 or so, and with the second star we will be at position 3,000 or less. So let's look into this.
Okay, this means currently there are more than 1,000 people online to solve this question, right?
I guess there are much more online. All in all, this will be some 100,000 with time, but maybe right now it's only 10,000 or the like. We will see in the stats what it looks like. So currently 5,000 people have solved this riddle, both stars, and 1,500 only solved the first star. And now let's look how we compare to the others here. So these are the ones which earned the points this morning. And if we click here, we can see this here. And then somewhere we can see how we compare to the others. So this is 1 minute 16. The others did it.
1 minute
So I
16. Okay.
I need to search how I did. So I'm not sure. Where can I see this? Maybe here.
What means 169 users? Are you on the 169 place?
No, this is the statistic here. Each star represents 169 users because it's 5,000 currently.
Okay.
But if I click once again, it will be some more. Now it's 5,300, and it's only for the statistics. So within some days, here are more stars, and then
Okay.
yeah.
Then
But somewhere we can see where we self personal starts here. That's it. That's what I said. So the first star was ranked 3,500. We solved it in 6 minutes. So you saw the first 100 solved it within 1 minute. So we need to be much faster. This was the time I searched where can I download my things and so on. This was, I don't know, at least 2 minutes loose.
Yeah.
So this was not good. And the second star with debugging was very bad. So this was 12 minutes and we are in the rank on position 4,700.
okay.
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 If we look tomorrow into it, there will be 100,000 users trying to use, and we are at position 5,000, so it's not so bad, but currently it looks bad.
Okay. Then thank you, Frank. We see us tomorrow again. And
We see us tomorrow.
yeah. 6 o'clock. Ne? I'll be there. Bye bye.
Have a nice day, Thomas.